Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel and I am from SK classes. I am going to teach you how to find square of numbers ending with 5. So, this is a trick most of the children don't know. So, first we need to take that 65 square, right? So, here we know that 5 is 25. The square of 5 is 25. So first we need to take the first number, that is 6 multiplied by 6 plus 1. Now how it's come? Now here we need to first plus the number and then multiply with 6. So here 6 into 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 6 is 42, and here we need to take the square of 5, that is 25. So we got the number 4225. So this is the square of 65. Let's check if the number is right or wrong. So we can multiply it with 65 into 65. So here 5 into 5 is 25. 6 5s are 30, that is 32. And then 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39 plus see, we got the answer correct. So this is the lengthy process and this is the easiest one. So here is the trick. So can Katie do it? Come. Do the 75 square. Now we'll take square of 25. So we got the answer 5625, that is the square of 75. So we can calculate and even check it if it is wrong or right. So you all can also use this trick, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and to like and share. Thank you.